DTV Motorworks, based out of Ontario, Canada, has been tearing up the all-terrain vehicle industry with their dual-track vehicle, the DTV Shredder. This precision machine harnesses over 530 components that propel itself and its pilot to a ripping 25 miles per hour over almost any terrain. With its 800-pound towing capacity and an impressive 35-degree approach angle, the Shredder brings utility and all-terrain capabilities through a revolutionary riding experience. In this video series, you have front row seats to watch the team take on the final design and manufacturing challenges by leveraging the limitless capabilities of SolidWorks and the 3D Experience platform. One of the remaining design requirements is the platform for the rider to stand on while operating the Shredder. This board is intended to be designed so that the rider is positioned laterally to the twin tracks, similar to that of a skateboard. The Shredder's custom chassis will create some constraints for the overall dimensions. Rider stance, foot traction, and manufacturability will also need to be considered during the design process. The current design calls for the board to be directly mounted to the chassis through some fixed brackets. We will see the team take on a large design change in order to modify the control of the Shredder and improve the overall rideability. To take this on, a proposed pivoting system will replace the existing fixed connection, allowing the board to rotate 30 degrees, plus or minus 15 degrees from its neutral position. The pivot design will also need a bushing to provide resistance to the rider's lean. This bushing's geometry and material selection will be key in enhancing the overall experience. Because of the change in the steering control, the pivoting system needs to connect to an existing CVT transmission. As the pilot rotates the board, a linkage will engage and disengage the left and right transmission, giving the rider full control of the track's power. While the engineering and design team are working to complete the board shape and the hinge subassembly, all of the sourced, purchased, and in-house manufactured components also have to be finalized before the Shredder can go into production. Looking into the subassembly in detail, the left and right track arms are the largest and some of the most complicated machine parts. If these can be manufactured in-house, not only will it save lost time with supplier lead times, but reduce the overall cost. Throughout this story, you will see precision collaboration highlighted between the core design, engineering, manufacturing, and project management teams, all showcased through the 3D Experience platform from Dassault Systems. Let's meet the team. Pete is the team's project manager. Whether it's managing issues or change action, or leading efficient team meetings, Pete is there to keep everything on track and moving towards a common goal. Eric brings expertise in complex mechanics. His responsibilities focus on critical part and assembly design. Eric's fail early, fail often approach to design through virtual simulation keeps the team one step ahead of failure. Dan is a true motorhead, and he's known for his outside-of-the-box approach to taking on new design challenges. As a certified SolidWorks professional, Dan knows the ins and outs of SolidWorks CAD. Sam is the team's manufacturing engineer. His responsibilities include seeing all in-house manufactured parts, along with working with outside manufacturing suppliers and vendors. Now that you've met the team and have been briefed on the remaining design challenges, how would you approach these tasks all while staying connected? Stay tuned as the team kicks off through a virtual lean team meeting, collaborates on part and assembly design, validates bushing geometry and complex materials, manages issues and last-minute change, and tackles complete CNC operations, all by leveraging the solutions available through the 3D Experience platform.